Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to delve into an interesting problem that some of you might have experienced while browsing a web. Have you ever encountered a situation where, after connecting to a VPN, you still couldn't access certain websites, even though you should be able to? Well, this is a common issue that occurs due to the way data is stored and accessed by websites, and it's quite intriguing to explore why this happens. In the solution provided for this problem, we discovered that the reason behind this peculiar behavior lies in the various data stored by the websites as you navigate through them. When you connect to a VPN, the browser's expectations of where to find the website on the internet can be disrupted, much like being transported to a different location while following a map. To tackle this, it is recommended to close the current tab, open a new one, and then navigate back to the website. This simple action can often resolve the issue more effectively than trying to clear the cache or reload the page. Now, let's recap what we've learned. The consistency of this behavior across different operating systems and browsers highlights how browsers and websites behave similarly irrespective of the platform. The hiccup in accessing certain websites post-VPN connection is primarily due to the change in the underlying connection caused by the VPN. So, the next time you face this dilemma, remember to close that tab, open a new one, and head back to the site to enjoy a seamless browsing experience. And with that, we wrap up today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below letting us know your thoughts. Remember, sometimes all it takes is a new tab to unlock a world of possibilities in the online realm. Stay curious, stay connected. See you in the next one.